Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel General Knowledge. Here today we will discuss 20 general knowledge questions. Instructions. Please watch the video till end without skipping it. A request. If you find my channel interesting and informative, please like, share and subscribe it and support us. So let's start today's GK question answers discussion. Which is the largest desert in the world? The answer is Antarctica Desert. Explanation: the Antarctica Desert is the largest desert in the world, covering about 14 million square kilometers. It is classified as a cold desert, whereas the Sahara, although the largest hot desert, is smaller in comparison. Next question. Who was the first female Prime Minister of India? A. Pratibha Patil, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Sarojini Naidu, and D. Sonia Gandhi. The answer is Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi served as the Prime Minister of India from 1966 to 1977 and again from 1980 until her assassination in 1984, making her the first female Prime Minister of the country. Question number 3. Which is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Diamond, D. Sapphire. The answer is diamond. Diamond is the hardest natural substance on Earth due to its crystal structure, which makes it incredibly durable and resistant to scratching. Next question. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China, B. South Korea, C. Japan, D. Thailand. The answer is Japan. Japan is known as the land of the rising sun because the Japanese name for the country, Nihon or Nippon, means origin of the sun, referring to its location to the east of the Asian continent. Next question. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series? A. J.R.R. Tolkien, J.K. Rowling, C.S. Lewis, D. Suzanne Collins. The answer is J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling is the British author who wrote the highly successful Harry Potter series, which includes 7 books about the young wizard Harry Potter. Next question. What is the main ingredient in sushi? The answer is rice. The main ingredient in sushi is rice, especially seasoned rice, shari, combined with various ingredients like fish, vegetables, or seaweed. Which Next question. Which element has the atomic number 1? A. Helium, B. Hydrogen, C. Oxygen, D. Carbon. So the answer is B. Hydrogen. Hydrogen has the atomic number 1, making it the first element on the periodic table. What is the capital of Australia? Australia. Next question. A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, C. Brisbane, D. Canberra. Um, the answer is Canberra. Canberra is the capital of Australia, chosen as a compromise between Sydney and Melbourne. It is the centre of the Australian government. Next question. Who developed the theory of relativity? A. Isaac Newton, B. Niels Bohr, C. Albert Einstein, D. Galileo Galilei. The answer is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein developed the theory of relativity which revolutionized our understanding of space, time and gravity. Next question, question number 10. What is the national sport of Canada? A. Soccer, B. Ice hockey, C. Basketball, D. Lacrosse. The answer is lacrosse. Lacrosse is the national sport of Canada while ice hockey is extremely popular. Lacrosse holds the official designation. Next question. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? So the answer is lion. Lion is often called the king of the jungle due to its majestic appearance and position at the top of the food chain. Though lions actually live in savannas and grasslands rather than jungles. Next question. Who was the first man to reach the South Pole? A. Ernest Shackleton, Robert Falcon Scott, Roald Amundsen, Edmund Hillary. The answer is Roald Amundsen. Roald Amundsen was the first person. Roald Amundsen was the first person to reach the South Pole on December 14, 1911, leading a Norwegian expedition. Next question. What is the boiling point of water in degrees Celsius? The answer is 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius under standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. Next question. Which country hosted the first modern Olympic Games? A. France, B. Greece, C. Italy, D. United Kingdom. So the answer is Greece. Greece hosted the first modern Olympic Games in Athens in 1896. The Games were revived in Greece from their ancient origins. Next question. What is the largest mammal in the world? A. African elephant, B. Blue whale, C. Giraffe, D. Hippopotamus. The answer is blue whale. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest mammal and the largest animal ever known to have existed, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weights of over 200 tons. Next question. What is known as the Iron? Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a past a key figure in the Indian independence movement and the integration of Indian states, is known as the Iron Man of India for his strong leadership and resolve. What does the acronym NASA stand for? A. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. B. National Aerospace and Space Agency. C. National Association of Space Affairs. D. National Agency for Space and Astronomy. So the answer is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA stands for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the United States government agency for space exploration and aeronautics research. Next question. Which planet has the most moons? The answer is Earth. The answer is Jupiter. Jupiter has the most moons of any planet in the solar system with a current total of 95 confirmed moons. Next question. What is the largest bone in the human body? The answer is femur. The femur or high or thigh bone is the longest and strongest bone in the human body. Next question. Who painted the Starry Night? The answer is Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh painted The Starry Night in 1889. It is one of his most famous works and is celebrated for its swirling, expressive style. This is the end. So like, share and subscribe.